So, if you dropship using Facebook shops, recently you'll notice that they changed the way that manual listing takes place on the computer now, right? So, you can still upload via data feed or a spreadsheet. You can still upload via Pixel if you have a Shopify website, for example. And both of those are extremely efficient ways to upload, although there can be issues creating the spreadsheet when integrating the data feed. And if you don't have a Shopify website, obviously you're not going to be using a pixel. So the best way to do it if you're drop shipping with checkout directly on Marketplace is to actually just do it manually. But you'll notice when you click next and then you go add items manually, before there was a different way that you'd input the title, the description, the pictures, and kind of move through the listing, and it was a lot easier. And now instead of moving through the listing that way, you'll see that it actually moves you through horizontally, and you have to input them differently, which can take a little bit more time and kind of slow you down. So one of the questions I've been getting asked frequently is, has ZDrop updated to actually copy paste listings to the Facebook shop now that they've updated to this new interface? And the answer is yes. So there's a few things that you need to do to get ZDrop to actually integrate and copy over. It's very, very easy. So you want to go to where it's adding items manually, like you'll see on the screen. And then from there, you just copy the URL, you go into ZDrop, into your settings. And so you want to take that URL and simply paste it in here where it says URL of add manual Facebook shop, and then make sure item is clicked. So you paste that URL in here, as you'll see mine is in there, and then you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you click save button status and save. And then you should be able to come back to your listings and simply copy to Facebook shop, which will then automatically copy it into that Facebook shop, even with the new interface. And once you see the paste data sign pop up, you just click it. It'll paste in your images, give it a second. There we go. Once the images are in there, click save. And then you'll see the title's already in there, the description's already in there. The price should already be marked up. As you can see, $46.30 from $26.40. Unclick sale price, and you can categorize it if you want to. Your quantity should also be in there as well, but if not, just input it. And then also come over to the right if you want to and select your shipping profile as well, and then upload the items. And that's how you do it. It copies automatically to Facebook shops just like it did in the past. The only difference is you have to go in and manually copy the URL from the add products manually page, and then put it like I showed you into the back end of ZDrop settings.